It's a jungle out there when it comes to choosing the best app for video chatting. I believe Line is better than WhatsApp. If you've never heard of Line, here's a short video on how to install and start using it. So, what you need to do is go to your Pay Store, type in the search bar Line, Line. When you find it, click it to install it. And your next step will be to click to open it. When you see this screen, click here where it says sign up. And I believe you'll be able to do it through your Gmail account, or it might give you the option for adding your phone number. Otherwise, it's not shown in this video. For your password, you need at least one uppercase, one lowercase, a number, and a character, special character, and at least 8 characters long. Adding friends is as simple as adding them by searching for their phone number or their email address and even possibly by their name. If you click on that button that says allow auto add your friends, it will add those people who are already using Line that are in your contacts. That's probably the easiest way. You see at the very bottom of that screen, it says home, chat, and calls. You want to chat to somebody, click on there, and then you will see the option to call. Once you click on the phone icon, then you will see either call them or the video call. And it's as simple as that. It's a short enough video that you can watch it over and over and pause it in the areas where you need to read or see exactly what you need to be clicking on. But yeah, hopefully that helps. And a thumbs up and a comment would be much appreciated.